If you've been working with CapCut on your PC and started noticing things running slower, maybe your projects are taking longer to load or you keep running into storage issues. Chances are your cache is piling up. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to clear your CapCut PC cache manually and set up automatic cache cleanup so your workflow stays smooth. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep CapCut snappy and clutter-free without losing any of your important edits. Let's dive right into clearing the cache manually. First, open up CapCut on your computer. You'll want to head to the menu icon in the top left corner. This is usually those three horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger menu. Give it a click, and from the list that pops up, select Settings. Now, Settings is typically displayed as a little gear icon in the top right if you don't see it immediately. Don't worry, it can be easy to overlook since it blends in with other icons. Just take a moment to hunt for that gear. Think of it like finding a tool in a busy workshop. Once you're inside the settings window, scroll through until you spot the section that mentions cache information. Here, you'll see your current cache size, which is basically CapCut holding on to temporary files and data from your past projects. Over time, these files can build up just like dust gathering in a closet and start to affect performance. Nearby, you'll see a little trash can icon right next to the cache size. Go ahead and click on that. What you're actually doing here is telling CapCut to sweep out all those hidden, temporary bits it doesn't need anymore. If you've never done this before, you might be amazed by how much space you free up. CapCut will then ask you to confirm the deletion, usually with an OK or Save button. Take a second to read the prompt, and when you're ready, confirm it. This part might take a few moments, especially if the cache is large. Don't worry if the program lags for a second. It's just doing a deep clean. Once it's finished, you'll notice things should run a little smoother, and you've reclaimed some hard drive space. Now let's make your life even easier by setting up CapCut to delete cache files automatically, so you don't have to keep remembering to clear it. The process starts out the same. Open CapCut, head to the menu, and go back into the settings window. From here, look out for an option called Auto Delete Cache Files, or something similar. Sometimes software updates change the wording a little, so just look for anything mentioning cache and automatic cleanup. Once you find it, enable the feature. You'll likely see options for how often you want CapCut to sweep the cache, such as every 15, 30, 60, or 90 days. If you work with big projects regularly, setting it closer to 15 or 30 days is a good idea. For occasional use, 60 or 90 days might be fine. Go ahead and select the interval that fits your workflow best. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This locks in your new setting, so CapCut can handle cache cleanup behind the scenes while you focus on editing. It's like having a self-tidying workspace. Less worry, more productivity, and that's all there is to it. If you follow these steps, CapCut should stay fast and responsive, and you won't have to juggle cache manually every time your storage fills up. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up or drop a comment below if you run into any issues or have other questions. I always read and reply. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!